top of this. Oh, by the way, I finished all the ceiling. Then we're gonna cover this. Will look pretty, but the windows are perfect. I learned about that red lock, but he also bought a special lock. Let me show you. Look at this beast. Damn, this is strong. So Alan not only bought it, but he installed all this. This is really safe. You see? And this thing goes here. Now it's gonna work because it's proper for this. You see? That's how it works. You go inside and locks there. That's it. Let's see if I can film this. I hope it works. Right there. I'm gonna put this thing. That's it. Wow. It's kind of like this. Oh shit, mine will not work. Yeah, it locked. I lined the door and here we go. Secure, really hard to get to it, or like there is no way. It's really hard. Plus that one, I think now we are much better. A lot. Well done, superhero. Whew. I'm tired. So Alan, my friend, thank you. Your first idea plus your second idea. Beast. And we are in game. Superhero Alan. Thanks, brother.